Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Google Forms is great for collecting data, but what happens next? Are you still spending hours manually turning those responses into invoices, contracts, or reports? The cycle of copy, paste, save as PDF, and email isn't just slow, it's prone to costly errors. It's time to move beyond simple data collection to true document automation. Introducing Smart Form Publisher, the essential Google Forms add-on that bridges the gap between raw data and professional business documents. Whether it's an invoice, a contract, or a complex report, Smart Form Publisher automates the entire generation process, so you don't have to. Setting it up is a breeze. Just link your form to your favorite Google Doc, sheet, or slide template. Using our intuitive markers system, your form data flows exactly where it needs to go. Need a PDF for a client? Or a Word doc for your records? Smart Form Publisher supports all major formats. It even handles the boring stuff, automatically naming your files and filing them into the correct Google Drive folders, keeping your workspace perfectly organized. No more typos, no more late-night data entry. Just professional, branded documents delivered instantly. Smart Form Publisher allows you to scale your business operations without increasing your workload. Professionalism. Automated. Ready to put your paperwork on autopilot? Install Smart Form Publisher today and transform your Google Forms into a high-powered document engine. Get started for free. Visit gwaddons.com or find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace.